What is up, guys? Well, I'm sure you could tell by the title of this video just exactly what I have in mind. That's right, y'all. I got my shipment of Temu fishing baits, and overall, they look really cool. I got a couple different packs of some 2-inch swim baits. I got a couple different packs of some different length finesse baits. I got some 3-inch swim baits in bass color, look really cool. Then I got these guys that I'm not exactly sure how to describe them. They are little swim baits, but they're completely transparent, and inside of them is a little chamber of color. They come in orange and yellow and pink and green. Really cool looking baits, guys. So that's what we're going to do today, y'all. We're going to give all these baits a shot and see how they perform. So y'all hang out and let's see how this goes. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? Oh, yeah. Nice sunfish, y'all. Man, he's hooked good, too. There we go. There he is, guys. Nice sunfish, man. Yeah. Not bad at all. Back he goes, guys. Fish on. Fish on. It's not a bad fish, guys. Not a bad fish at all. Yes. Yeah, boy. Nice little smallie, guys. Yeah, man. Not a bad fish. He's hooked good, too. There he is, y'all. That is not a bad little fish. Yeah, man. Nice little smallmouth, guys. Yeah, y'all. Not a bad little fish at all, guys. Pretty little smallmouth. Yeah, man. All right, y'all. Let's get him back in the water. We've had him out long enough. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? Oh, we got a decent little... Oh, wait a minute. Wait, y'all. I was getting ready to say smallmouth. That ain't a smallie. That's a little spotted bass, guys. Not a bad little fish. Yep, not too bad at all. And back he goes, guys. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? What do we got? Got ourselves, let's see here, a little spot. Just a little feller, but a pretty little fish, guys. Yeah, man. Back he goes, y'all. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? What do we got? We got ourselves another nice little spotted bass, guys. Pretty little fish right there, y'all. Yeah, man. Yeah, not a bad little fish right there, guys. Pretty little spotted bass, y'all. And back he goes. All right, y'all, back to the truck after running that stretch of river, and the Temu baits seem to do fine, but the one thing we're still lacking is water. Guys, the fishing the river right now is just almost impossible, just fishing in inches of water. So I'm going to throw the boat in the back of the truck. I'm going to pack up, and I'm going to head to my pond for a while and see if we can find any water there. So y'all hang out. Here we go. Fish on. Fish on, guys. It don't feel bad at all. Good fish. Yeah, man. Look at there, guys. It's a little buck coming right here. Look. Oh, be darned. Can you all see that? He come right down to the pond. Let me see if I can turn here a little. There he goes. Looked like a little 3-point. How cool was that, man? But anyway, looky here. Oh, he was hooked good, y'all. Hooked good. Let me get him off here and I'll show him to you. All right, guys. Right there he is. Beautiful little largemouth, man. Yeah. Not a thing wrong with that fish, guys. Pretty fish. Right on. Not too bad. And back he goes, y'all. Fish on. Fish on. It don't feel too bad, y'all. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, yeah, he's a fighter too, man. Nice little largemouth, y'all. Yeah, boy. He's hooked good. There he is. Pretty little largemouth. Yeah, man. Not bad at all. Right on, guys. Pretty little largie. Not too bad. Back he goes, guys. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a nice fish, y'all. Yeah, man. Yeah. Good fish. Yeah. Not a bad fish at all, guys. Yeah, man. Nice largemouth, y'all. Yeah. Not too bad at all. Right on. That's a nice looking fish, guys. Pretty fish, man. Yeah. Not too bad. All right, y'all. Let's get him back in the water. We've had him out long enough. All right, y'all. Back to the truck now. And overall, the Temu baits did pretty good. If y'all were skeptical about ordering baits from Temu, don't be. The quality's decent and they seem to perform well. But hey, man, the water in the pond was not much better than the water in the river. We just need rain, guys, and it's making fishing very, very difficult. So unless we get some significant rain, this could possibly be my last fishing video of the season. But hey, that's not all bad. That just means that the next time I see you guys could possibly be from a tree stand. So if y'all like what you saw today, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys next time.